Welcome to our channel. My name is Wayne Andrews. My wife's name is Kathleen. The products that we will be discussing are in our current house. It is a house that we built ourselves. We started down this path many years ago, and now this is the third house that we have built. Our expertise comes from the sale of architectural products. It also comes from many years of real estate appraisal and from working in the insurance industry. If you like our channel, please click on the channel and subscribe. If you like the product, please click on the link in the description and buy the product. When you buy, we may get compensation. Thank you for watching. Today's talk is about the propane gas system that is installed in our home. Please be advised that the installation of this system may require a licensed technician and/or compliance with building codes. We use the system daily. However, this talk is not an approval of any kind. When Kathy and I built this house, we knew that we wanted a small house with a combination gas and electric range. We also knew we wanted a gas fireplace that was not part of our main heating or cooling system. A redundant system would be needed as we did not want to ever be without gas service. In our area, there are a number of nationally known propane suppliers. There are also a number of local businesses which deliver propane. It seemed to us that they all wanted to supply the propane and that they all wanted to rent us a very large and very expensive single tank while charging inflated fees for the propane delivery, and the system inspection. When we shopped around for a commercial service, we found a number of things about our options that we did not like. Chief among these was the lack of redundancy along with the high system cost. As we have only a range top and a small gas fireplace, we decided to find a small capacity system that we could control. After a number of searches, we concluded that a dual tank system, similar to that found on many recreational vehicles, would be the most suitable for us. We knew that we wanted to be able to connect, move, and refill our tanks at our convenience. This meant that we would be limited to either 30 or 40-pound tanks due to our ability to lift and load them into our vehicle. As propane tanks are only filled to 80%, we would have either 24 or 32 pounds of liquid propane in each tank after filling. Upon shopping, we found tanks which included the OPD valve as well as a vacuum purge certification. These tanks are small enough to fit into our vehicle, which is an SUV. It could not be easier. Please keep in mind that our home has a little more than 1,400 square feet of living area and that 2 adults live in it. The fireplace is used only for ambiance and for emergency backup. Our range has a gas cooktop with an electric oven. This arrangement allows us to go about 70 days on 24 pounds of propane in a 30-pound tank. We then refill our empty tank. If this refill is too frequent for you, please consider the 40-pound tank. If you like the discussion, please subscribe to our channel. The links to both tanks are in our video description. Please click on the link and buy. Thank you very much.